Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 6 Chapter 11 Exercise 11E Question 6. In this given figure we have to find the number of degrees in these angles. So basically I'll begin very simple. This is the first part. You can see there are 4 angles, 1, 2, 3 and 50 degree angle. So what you have to find in the first part, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 1, 2, 3. These 3 you have to find in the first part. And 50 degrees already over here. So what you need to do here, see, basically we will use the two properties. First is that vertically opposite one. Second is that the sum of angles on a line is 180 degrees. Two properties we'll be using, and that will give us the answer. See how. First one, first part, you have A, that is what you have to find, angle 1. So don't worry, this is very simple. You should know angle 1 plus 50 is equal to 180, right? What property you are using? Sum of angles on a line is 180, right? This property we will be using. So angle 1 plus 50 is equal to 180. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 50. Clear? So angle 1 is equal to what? 180 minus 50, 0, 8 minus 5, 3 and 1, 130 degrees. That is your answer for the first A1. Now we have B. This is angle 2. So angle 2 now you have to find. So remember, angle 2 is going to be equal to 50 degrees directly. How? Vertically opposite angles they are, right? So angle 2 is equal to 50 degrees. So you can write your answer as what? Angle 2 is what? 50 degrees. Simple. Okay. Then part C. You have angle 3 you have to find now. And for this you have use any property, right? Angle 2, now that you have found that angle 2 is now 50 degrees. Okay. So you can easily do 2 or 3. You can take the sum of angles on a line as 180 and then do it, or you can simply keep it like that. You can also use vertically opposite 1 and 3. So I will use vertically opposite because that's more easier. What is that? Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, and what is the reason? What is the property? Because they are vertically opposite angles, right? Therefore angle 3 will be equal to what? Angle 1. Angle 1 is 130 degrees. Okay, so this becomes your answer. Clear? Now see the second part that you have here. Okay, I'll do it here, don't worry. Fine. We also need to save up space as we are going further. So A has angle 4. Now see this second figure, that's for the second part. You have 55, 65, then angle 4 and then angle 5. Now this is a little bit tricky. You should see carefully this figure. First we have to find angle 4 in part A. So we will only focus on 4, ignore this 5. Can you see angle 4, this 55 degree angle and 65, all three are lying on a straight line, right? 4, 55 degrees, 65 degrees, right? So they are lying on a straight line. So can you see here, if I use this property that sum of angles on a line is 180 degrees, I can find the measures. See, angle 4 plus 55 plus 65 is equal to 180 degrees. This we can use. So I am not writing the property, you can write it. It's written once here, so it's not needed. You can use it if you want. Okay, so angle 4 is equal to what? See, angle 4 plus now 55 and 65, 5, 5, 10, 1 carried over, 6, 6, 12, 120. Angle 4 plus 120 is 180. So angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 120. Angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 120. That is what? 180 minus 120. So 60. So angle 4 is equal to 60 degrees. That's the first answer. We also need to find angle 5, right? So that we will be able to find easily. Now see part B of this. You have angle 5. Now see this, angle 4 is now 60 degrees. See the figure this way. Don't you see 4 and 5 are on this straight line? So same property we will use. Sum of angles on the straight line is 180 degrees. This time you will write angle 4 plus angle 5 is 180. Angle 4 is 60 plus angle 5, that is 180. So angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 60, right? Therefore angle 5 is equal to what? 180 minus 60, so 120 degrees, right? That becomes your answer. Now let's see the third part. You have here in this third part, what? See, you have to find angle 6 in part A of this, angle 6, right? This here is angle 6. Now angle 6 is pretty clearly indicated. See, this is here, over here there is a square, right, like this on the angle. This square, it means what? It is a right angle. So what I'll write here, see, angle 6 is equal to 90 degrees. Simple thing, right? Because it's indicated with this square that angle 6 is 90 degrees. Now part B, you have to write here. See, part B, this is angle 7, this one. So what property? Now we will use sum of angles on a point. Sum of angles on a point is 360 degrees. Okay, see here, angle 6, right, plus 45 degrees plus angle 7 is 360, right? What property we have used? Sum of angles on a point is 360. This will give us the value that we want. Angle 6 is 90 plus 45 plus angle 7 is 360. 90 and 45, 5 here, 9 4 13, 135 plus angle 7 is 360. So angle 7 is 360 minus 135. This is what? 10 minus 5, it is 5 here, and here 5 minus 3, that is 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 minus 3 becomes 2, and 3 minus 1, that is gonna be 2. So 225 degrees, that becomes your answer. Okay, this is your answer. This one here as well is your answer. This one here as well is your answer. This one here as well becomes your answer. Alright, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like in this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.